Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make French toast. So simple, let's get started. Oh, so get a large mixing bowl and put in a couple of eggs. Then I'll 110 milliliters of milk. You can use any milk, I'm using 2%. 1 tablespoon of white brown sugar. And anywhere from a quarter of a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. And then you beat these together. And now transfer the mixture into like a shower dish or bowl. And then give your bread in. But I sit here for like 4 minutes and then turn off it so that way you can soak in all the batter. Then we'll start cooking them. Then you get a frying pan, put a couple tablespoons of butter, or if you want to use oil, that would do. But I think butter was the best for them. Just turn the heat on to medium and melt the butter. Alright, now that the butter is melted, add your French toast. And then just cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes and then flip it over and we'll see what we get. Oh, perfect. Oh, beautiful. So there you go. You can either have it right there, or you can sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top, or if you want to use maple syrup, that will do. And now, let's eat. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for French toast, as you can see. Oh, so beautiful, and you have no idea how good they smell. So, give it a taste. Waffle. So thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, then we'll see you in the next video for a new recipe. Peace out.